I think we're ready. Yes or no?
Yes.
All right, we're ready, guys. What's up? I'm Jeremy from Weldtec Designs, and today I have a very special guest, and that special guest is
Caden Johnson.
And Caden, where are you from? Besides me.
Same house as you.
Yeah, but where?
Growing up garage.
Growing up garage. And what should people do that are watching this crazy video?
Make sure you subscribe and hit that like button in all my videos.
There it is. So head over to Growing Up Garage, check this guy out. Let him teach you guys about tools and help your kids maybe learn about tools.
Because it would teach you how to install all of this crazy stuff if we shipped you it for your van.
Right on, there we go. So we are hanging out in the front of a Nissan NV. You have a Method hat on. Well, how did you get that sweet hat, dude?
Method hooked me up.
Dude, how do you always get the hookup with Method?
Because I'm cute.
Oh, because at least he's honest. Well, who else got hooked up with some Method wheels?
The Nissan?
This Nissan NV got hooked up. So this video is just craziness. Me and my mini-me hanging out here. We're gonna be talking about vans. This guy, he's got an anti-driving device on his arm right now. He cannot drive.
Anti-driving device.
It is.
No.
We got to go to the doctor here shortly to have this thing checked out because this guy's a maniac. So anyways, guys, let's really jump into this Nissan NV. We showed you the last Nissan NV with a 3-inch lift spindle, and if you completely missed that video, I'll throw up a card and you can check that out. Now, what was cool about that is we were running a 33-inch tires, but what's better than 33-inch tires? How about a set of 35-inch tires?
Woohoo! I thought they were 33s.
No, these are 35s. We went big. We're going big on this, dude.
So the customer said 35s?
Yeah. What do you think of that?
I said 33.
Yeah, no, we're going 35. 35, 12, 50, 17 tires. Where is it? Right there. 12, 50. Oh, and I lied. 18s. We're going 18 on this. We're going even bigger. So on a set of awesome Method grid wheels, these are an 18-inch wheel. And you may be wondering is how did we get this giant tire underneath this brand new 2021 Nissan NV is with two things.
A lift.
A lift. And how did we get that lift? No idea. A 3-inch lift spindle was the first thing that we did. And then look in this thing, you are going to see this awesome blue shock. And who is that made by?
King Shock.
And we had a good old time. You got to go get a whole tour of King, didn't you? If you missed that video, I think that's coming up on his channel and maybe even on ours. We had a good time. We went and got to see where shocks are made. So a lot of cool stuff. So on there, look at that. That is a 2.5 King shock. That is a coilover shock. You're also going to see, watch out there, little man. You're going to see that we got a remote reservoir on there. And then to step it up one more, is this has the IBP, which is the compression adjusters as well on the shock, which I don't know, can we get any better than that? So we got to get out of the way so that this guy can get through. Hold on, let's continue this. So that is what we did in the front. It's just awesome. I mean, I love it. What do you think, Caden?
I like it.
Yeah, you like this better than the Chevy van?
Definitely, there's a big difference.
Big difference? So
I'm excited what this one's gonna look with the powder coated bumper.
Hold on. You're picking your nose and you got a booger. Oh man. All right, let's jump to the back of this thing and talk about what's going on back here. So I'm gonna tell you guys I am working on some killer new stuff for the rear of this, which is going to include a negative overload spring if you don't want to run a full custom leaf. I'm also doing a 2.5-inch bigger spring and then also a 4-inch bigger progressive spring. So a lot of spring options that you guys are gonna have for this Nissan NV. You guys asked for it. Look, I'm delivering on it. Now in the rear of this, you will also have even more options where we can run a 2.0 King shock in the rear. And then we could also run a 2.5 King shock remote reservoir in the rear as well. Oh my gosh, like mind blown, right? Like what else could you guys want? Except, now here's the negative part about all of this, is that these 35-inch tires are going to be ginormous, and they are not going to fit in the stock spot on the rear.
You would need a lift in like all the shops. Look, that's almost nothing.
Yep.
Like barely.
Right. So I think something's missing. What's missing back here, Caden?
A back bumper.
So what should we do?
I think we need to make a back bumper. We need Chris to weld a back bumper, and then maybe we're gonna. Are we powder coating it?
Well, of course, we're gonna have ECP powder coat it, right? Black to match the van, right? So guys, maybe you guys want to stick around if you have a Nissan NV, because I got a rear bumper with dual swings, dual 2 swings coming for you guys.
You sound weird now. Coming to you guys? You sound like a robot.
I am a robot. I build lift kits and bumpers. Would you like a lift kit or a bumper? I can build you both of them. So, it's just craziness with me and the little man. You know, he's always giving his pops a hard time. So,
I am not.
That's it. We got a 5-inch kit right there for you guys. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. I would love to hear what you guys think about this lift kit. Comment below. I mean, who wants this? Who needs a lift kit on their Nissan NV? I mean, we're delivering.
I have something.
All right, what else?
Make sure you check out our New Kid podcast too.
So they just did a New Kid podcast over on Growing Up Garage, which is awesome. So a lot of cool things coming here from the laboratories of Weldtec Designs. That's all I got, a 5-inch lift kit on a Nissan NV. Who else has one of those? So I'll see you guys.
Is that it?
See you in the next Nissan NV video. Bye-bye.